This project is very helpful to bring together different model communities, to couple models, to think about how models can be coupled at different time scales, regional scales. So from a technical point of view, this is really an added value. But there's also another side, which the consumers of model might benefit from this project, like the IPCC. The IPCC is a consumer of models and of scenarios. And what we intend to do within the IPCC, we would like to explore the whole solution space, so to say. What can be done to deal with climate change, ranging from adaptation to the reduction of emissions, to implement different kinds of policies. And an assessment of such policies and an assessment of a portfolio of mitigation options can only be carried out with the help and with the support of formal models. And I think this is why consumers like the IPCC are so interested in a model like Hermitage. The IPCC is not a decision-making unit, it's an assessment unit, and now we are running out of time, so in the next 2 years we have to complete our assessment report. So therefore I hope all the participants of this project will publish very soon their papers. And as soon as they have published the papers, these papers will be assessed within the IPCC. But we should not evaluate the value of this project simply what happens in the next 2 years. So this project might facilitate a broader research agenda. And the broader research agenda is to bring together people who are really able to assess the climate impacts on a regional scale, and on the other hand, to explore large-scale, long-term emission reduction scenarios. In a broader sense, I'm optimistic, because I do not believe that humankind as such, by and large, is irrational. I believe in rationality. And I also believe that humankind is able, in one way or another, to handle the problem. So I do not believe that we can come up with a first best solution. I do not believe so we can solve all the problems, but I hope we can gain sufficient scientific insights, and we have enough courageous politicians to help us to come up with reasonable first steps.